have to adopt some of the values of journalism, even if they don't call themselves journalists. So that's what needs to happen. I think since marami na yung tinatawag na content creators who are providing the news and information that people need to a lot of people, they need to start stepping up, leveling up, and improving their own forms of storytelling so that they approach the level of journalism standards. Malayo pa tayo doon. But we, as information consumers, need to demand that from ordinary influencers. So kung alam nyo na yung popular na influencer, storyteller, content creator ay nag-iimbento na ng kwento, nagkakalat ng kasinungalingan, kayo na nagbibigay sa kanila ng audience at saka business at saka profits, you have to start calling them out.